Before assembly lines transformed manufacturing. Before skyscrapers reshaped city skylines. Before aircraft crossed oceans. And before humans left Earth itself. There were workers, builders, mechanics, engineers, technicians, people whose labor turned ideas into reality. But progress has always demanded more than tools. It also demanded protection, because creating the modern world often meant working in environments filled with dust, heat, oil, chemicals, metal, machinery, and constant movement. Ordinary clothing was not designed for such conditions. Workers needed something better, something stronger, something built specifically for the job. The answer became one of the most practical garments ever created. The coverall, a one-piece suit designed not for fashion, but for function. Today, coveralls remain essential across countless industries. They appear in factories, construction sites, aircraft hangars, agricultural fields, laboratories, emergency services, and even space programs. Yet their story reveals far more than the history of workwear. It reveals how clothing became a tool of industrial civilization. The coverall is generally defined as a one-piece garment that covers the torso, arms, and legs. Unlike separate shirts and pants, a coverall creates a continuous protective layer around the body. This design offers several advantages. It reduces exposure, prevents clothing from catching on machinery, protects underlying garments, and simplifies movement. The concept appears straightforward, yet its impact proved enormous. The origins of coveralls emerged alongside industrialization. As factories expanded during the 19th and early 20th centuries, working environments became increasingly demanding. Machines operated at unprecedented scales. Production accelerated. Industrial labor exposed workers to new hazards. Oil stains, metal shavings, dust, grease, heat, and chemical contaminants became part of daily life. Traditional clothing struggled to survive these conditions. Workers needed garments specifically designed for protection. Early coveralls provided exactly that. They created a barrier between workers and their environment. The design prioritized durability above all else. Heavy cotton fabrics became common. Strong stitching reinforced stress points. Loose but controlled fits allowed freedom of movement. Every detail served a practical purpose. Nothing existed purely for decoration. This philosophy would define the garment for generations. As industries expanded, coveralls spread rapidly. Railroad workers adopted them. Mechanics relied upon them. Factory employees embraced them. Farmers found them useful. The garment's reputation grew because it solved real problems. Workers could move freely. Clothing lasted longer. Maintenance became easier. Productivity improved. In many ways, the coverall became an invisible contributor to industrial efficiency. The engineering behind the garment is more sophisticated than it first appears. One-piece construction eliminates gaps between upper and lower clothing. This reduces exposure to contaminants. It also prevents shirts from becoming untucked during physical activity. For workers performing repetitive motions, such consistency matters. The body moves more naturally. Distractions decrease. Comfort improves. Modern coveralls incorporate additional innovations. Flame-resistant materials, chemical-resistant coatings, high-visibility panels, temperature-regulating fabrics, and advanced protective technologies. These developments transformed the coverall from simple workwear into highly specialized equipment. Certain industries require garments capable of protecting against extreme conditions. Electrical hazards, industrial fires, hazardous materials. Each challenge inspired new adaptations. Yet the core concept remained unchanged. Protect the worker, support the task, enable performance. Psychologically, uniforms exert a powerful influence on human behavior. Researchers have long observed that clothing affects perception, identity, and performance. The coverall represents a particularly interesting example. When individuals wear specialized work garments, they often adopt corresponding professional mindsets. The clothing reinforces purpose, responsibility, and expertise. The coverall becomes more than fabric. It becomes part of a role. Mechanics associate it with precision. Engineers associate it with problem solving. Technicians associate it with competence. The garment helps create professional identity. This effect extends beyond the wearer. Observers respond differently as well. Uniforms communicate information quickly. A coverall suggests capability, technical knowledge, hands-on experience. The garment signals that work is being done. Real work, practical work, essential work. These associations contributed significantly to its cultural importance. Throughout the 20th century, coveralls became symbols of industry itself. Advertising campaigns featured workers wearing them. Films used them to represent expertise. Factories adopted standardized versions. Entire generations came to associate coveralls with productivity and progress. The garment appeared wherever things were built, repaired, maintained, or improved. Perhaps nowhere is this symbolism more powerful than in aviation and space exploration. Aircraft technicians frequently wear coveralls while maintaining complex machinery. The garment protects against grease, fuel, and mechanical hazards. Its practicality aligns perfectly with technical environments. When humanity entered the space age, similar principles continued. Astronaut training garments and technical uniforms often reflected the same philosophy. Protection, mobility, reliability. The environments changed dramatically. The logic remained the same. Coveralls also entered popular culture. Mechanics became icons of skill and independence. Automotive culture embraced workwear aesthetics. Fashion designers occasionally borrowed industrial influences. The garment even inspired luxury interpretations. This transformation illustrates an interesting pattern. Functional objects often become fashionable after proving their usefulness. The coverall followed this path, not because it sought attention, but because authenticity attracts attention naturally. Modern industries continue relying on coveralls because the garment remains effective. Technology evolves, machinery advances, workplaces change, yet the need for protection persists. The need for mobility persists. The need for reliable equipment persists. The coverall continues satisfying those needs. Perhaps that explains its longevity. Because great design rarely depends on trends. It depends on solving problems. And few garments solved as many problems as the coverall. A simple idea, executed exceptionally well. A garment built for workers. Refined by engineers, trusted by industries, and carried through generations of technological progress. Because behind every machine, every bridge, every aircraft, every factory, and every breakthrough, there are people doing difficult work, people turning plans into reality. And for more than a century, one garment has accompanied them through that process. Protecting, supporting, and enabling, that garment is the coverall, the suit that helped build the modern world.